Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen on your Samsung A20. If you've forgotten your password and can't remember it anymore, we're going to teach you how to unlock it, okay? Remove your SIM card and your memory card as well, because this procedure will erase everything stored on the device's memory. In some cases you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. It's just so the phone can enter recovery mode, then you go there and select the unlock option that I'm going to show you here. So give it a try. With the cable or without the cable, alright? If you also need to unlock your email using only your Google account, I'll talk about how you can do that in a bit, alright? So let's get started. You can leave the device on this screen here or on the emergency screen. Press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you. Volume down and power. Hold them until the device restarts, just like we told you. Just a few seconds. Keep holding. Release the volume down, press the volume up, since it's already restarted. Now pay attention to the screen. Release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. This is recovery mode. You can now take your finger off the power button. Remember, this procedure will also work for other Samsung models. Now scroll down by pressing the volume down button. This is the option where it says wipe data, factory reset. Confirm with the power button. Scroll down again and confirm once more. Let's wait for this information to finish so we can just confirm. So when you get here, confirm one more time. At this point, your device is being unlocked, formatted and restored to its original factory settings. You'll see that it will restart and won't ask for any lock screen password anymore. If you need to unlock your email and your Google account, as we mentioned at the beginning of the video, we can also do this unlocking remotely. No matter where you are, you can contact me through the number in the video description, and regardless of your device, we can perform this unlock. Our number is there. Feel free to ask your questions, clear up any doubts, check the price for your unlock, or ask anything else you need. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description or in the channel description. And it doesn't matter how much you give. What matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks, take care, and see you next time.